So once again, we've just run the Mums and Bubs or Baby First Aid course for the Gold Coast City Council through Active and Healthy, and we've had a pretty good turnout, and obviously you can bring your babies along to the course. So we've got a few mums here that have brought their babies, and we've given them some great tips on things like choking, drowning, CPR, how to clear an airway, how to check whether your baby's healthy or not. We've spoken a little bit about, I suppose, just emergency tips on burns and fractures, and emergency birth as well. We'll cover that a little bit, but we've got some great handouts that we normally do as well. Things like the poisons chart, which we've got here, which we give out in the course, and also some great little tips on like a few different bits and pieces with bites and stings, and some great specials on first aid kits as well. So if you've got a baby or you're thinking about having a baby, come and see us for the Mums and Bubs First Aid course here at First Aid, Accident and Emergency.